Hello everyone, Cloud the Great here. Just wanted to take a minute to make a quick video congratulating Greyhound Picking on reaching 200 subscribers. He's doing a giveaway of a really cool pick set, and what he wants us to do is pick a lock and talk about one of our favorite profiles, which for me has got to be a long reach. This isn't particularly my favorite lock pick, but the profile itself I just love. You can zip with it, you can go in and rock with the backside, and you can get in and pick without oversetting anything. It's sweet, man. If you don't have a long reach, get yourself one. My two shoutouts are going to be Stealth Rogue Locksport. I just found him not that long ago. Really cool channel, and he needs more subs, man. We all do. Go give him some love. He's a really cool channel, really cool guy. And just real quick, I wanted to do one more shout out. I wanted to do 603 Lock and Key, another really awesome channel. He's going to be getting my next challenge lock, and I'm excited to see what he does with it. Anyways, Cloud the Great signing off. Thank you. Have a good day.